In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Campsite.bio link. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to go to app.campsite.bio and you want to create your account and you want to set your primary link you're going to use. And then to actually set up your links, you can go ahead and click on Profile, top left. Here, you can see your primary link. So if I open this up, it's going to open up my bio over here. And then you can go ahead and add your links up here. So click on Add Link. It's going to show you this box over here where you can delete or add in your links. And then I'm going to just type in, for example, YouTube channel like this. And then I'm going to add a link to that YouTube channel over here, which is going to be my YouTube channel. And then you can also add in an image, or you can, of course, add in whatever you want, like icons, stuff like that. I'm going to add in a YouTube icon, select, and I'm going to click on here to actually make this visible. Here on the right, you can see it's already popped up. And then I'm going to pin this to the top as well. Now, whenever you do this, you can go ahead and add multiple links by clicking Add Link like that. But whenever you add one, it's going to take a few seconds to actually update on your bio link over here. So for me, it's already updated. If I go ahead and click on that, it's going to open up my YouTube channel. There we go, as you can see. But of course, yes, you can add more of them, and then whenever that's updated, you'll be able to see them on your link, which you can open up by clicking this button. So that's pretty much what it is when it comes to setting up this Campsite.bio link. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.